Hello. In this lecture, we will cover the handwriting feature in the layer menu. As soon as I tap on handwriting option, a new layer is found. Up there on your right, there is a set of handwriting tools including pen, art brush, hand brush and pen brush. And then we have got the size of brush starting from the thin to thicker all the way to the left. If you wish to erase any part of your handwriting, you can simply use this eraser tool on your right side of the panel. And if you wish to erase all the mess you created in one tap, you can do that by using this specific erase tool, which is right there on the panel. You may want to change the color of the brush. Use this option to change the color of the handwriting tool. And if you wish to create a square or rectangle or a circle or an oval filled with color or just an outline, you can do that with shape option. You can do things with handwriting and shape tools like add animation, trim and split, move around, scale up and down. Use them to build up an impressive story for your audience.